Hey, Riddle here. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I want to share with you a lesser known vegetable that can be really beautiful and prolific in the garden and is really, it's very common in Chinese cuisine, and that is chrysanthemum greens. Now, chrysanthemum flower is an edible form of the chrysanthemum, and you eat the tender young shoots before they blossom, because like most plants, even lettuce, once it flowers, the plant gets really bitter. But I usually can't eat it all quick enough, and it produces these beautiful flowers in either white or yellow, which brings bees to the garden. But let me show you this before it blooms out, so you get an idea of how you eat it. It does have a slight bitter flavor like an endive, but when you cook it, that flavor subsides, so you can use it in a stir fry. And the Chinese believe that it's very medicinal. It's very easy to grow, and if you keep cutting the flowers off of it, it will keep producing, and you simply snap off these tender young shoots and cook them into stir fry, or the same way you would any leafy vegetable. And it is just a really nice break from the usual shards and kales and things that we have in our American gardens. So look it up, edible chrysanthemum. Very medicinal and beautiful and super easy to grow. Oh, what am I doing? You know, I don't have to throw this away. If I stick this down in the ground, it'll probably root. There's a baby one coming up. So like with lettuces and things, you can see the baby one coming up. I plant these about every 4 to 6 weeks to make sure that I have a constant crop of them. That's it. Listen, thanks for coming to my channel. If you like my tips and unusual suggestions and money-saving ideas, please subscribe. It helps. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other.